Hello, good day. And how are you today? You are good, right? I'm glad you are good. So I hope we are ready to learn. We are good. So today our lesson is on elementary science and our topic is exploring colors. We are going to be learning about exploring colors. What is color? The primary and secondary colors, and so on. So today's lesson is all about colors. Are we ready to learn about colors? Okay, let's go. What is color? Color is what you see when light shines off an object. Color is a reflection of light in objects, okay? Is the reflection of light in objects. Color is the reflection of light in objects. So now we have various types of colors. Firstly, we're just going to be talking about primary colors and secondary colors. What are primary colors? Primary colors are called basic colors. This is because they cannot be gotten by mixing any other colors together. Primary colors are called basic colors, and this is because they cannot be gotten by mixing any other colors together. We have red, yellow, and blue. Primary colors are called basic colors, and it's because they can't be gotten from any other colors. And we have these colors as red, yellow, and blue. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. This is called color red, this is called color yellow, and this is called color blue. So primary colors are called basic colors, and it's because they can be gotten from any other colors. They can be gotten from any other colors. If you mix other types of colors together, you can get red. If you mix other types of colors together, you can get yellow. And if you mix other types of colors together, you can get blue. That's why they are called primary colors. Okay? Now we have the secondary colors. We have the secondary colors. Secondary colors are mixture of two primary colors equally. Secondary colors are when you mix two primary colors equally. Remember, our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So the secondary colors are when you mix these two colors together to get another color. Okay? Did we understand that? Good. So when you mix red plus blue, you have purple. If you mix red color and blue color, you have purple color. Remember, secondary colors are when you mix two primary colors. Red is a primary color, blue is a primary color, and when you mix the two together, you have purple. You have purple, okay? And we have blue, yellow will give us green. Mixing of two primary colors will give you secondary colors. So if you mix blue and yellow colors together, you have green color. When you mix blue and yellow colors together, you have green color. So green is a secondary color because you mixed two primary colors, blue and yellow, together. Do we understand that? Okay, then we have red and yellow. If you mix red and yellow together, you have orange. Orange is a secondary color. So if you mix red color and yellow color together, you have orange color. Okay? So the secondary colors are purple, green, and orange. The secondary colors are purple, green, and orange. And when you mix red and blue together, you have purple. And when you mix blue and yellow together, you have green. Then you mix red and yellow together, you have orange. Okay? Did we get that? Good. So we have our warm colors and cool colors. We're first of all going to be looking at warm colors. What are warm colors? Warm colors are associated with feeling warm, the feeling of warmth, energy, and excitement. They tend to bring out emotions like happiness, passion, enthusiasm. Warm colors are often found in elements such as fire, the sun, objects associated with heat. The primary warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. So the warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. We have color red, orange, and yellow. So these are warm colors, okay? Did we get that? Good. Then we have cool colors. Cool colors. Cool colors are associated with feelings of calmness and relaxation. It makes us feel calm and relaxed. They tend to evoke emotions like peacefulness and coldness. Cool colors are often found in elements such as water, the sky, and objects associated with cool temperature. The primary cool colors are blue, green, and purple. The primary cool colors are blue, green, and purple. Remember, the warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. So the cool colors are blue, green, and purple. Okay? Good. I hope we understood that. So we have colors in the nature. We're going to be looking at colors in the nature. This is so beautiful, right? It is very pretty. So this is nature, right? And we find these colors in nature. We have the blue, white. Wow, very beautiful. We can also find colors in nature. Everywhere has colors. If you go outside and take a walk, you will see different colors. So you can take a walk outside and look at different colors for you to know the colors nature has. Okay? They are so pretty, right? Then we also have colors in the arts, which we mentioned them earlier. Our primary and secondary colors, we use them for drawing. Art is all about drawing, expressing your feelings through drawing, writing. So you can use colors to draw, express how you feel, right? Yes, you can do that. So beginning of our lesson, we talked about color, and we say color is what? Is a reflection of light in object. Any object that has light, it has color, right? Then we talked about primary colors as red, yellow, and blue. They are the basic colors that you can't mix any two colors to get red. You can't mix any color to get yellow, and you can't mix any color to get blue. They are basic colors, primary colors, because no colors can be mixed together to get them, right? We also talked about secondary colors, which are the mixture of two primary colors. When you mix two primary colors together, red, yellow, and blue, if you mix two together, you get them. Our secondary colors are yellow, sorry, purple, green, and orange. Purple, green, and orange, right? These are our secondary colors because we mixed two colors to get them. Two primary colors, red and blue, gave us purple. Blue and yellow gives us orange. Red and yellow gives us orange. Okay, good. So we are to practice this, mixing different colors together, and you will confirm that if you mix red and blue, it will give you purple. If you mix blue and yellow together, it will give you green. And if you mix red and yellow together, you will get orange. We talked about warm colors. Warm colors are the feeling of warmth, energy, and excitement. We said they are red, orange, and yellow. We can identify our color red, right? And our color orange and color yellow. We are able to identify them. Good. Then we also have cool colors. They give us the feeling of calmness and relaxation. We said that, right? And the colors are blue, green, and purple. We can identify color blue, we can identify color green, and we can identify color purple, right? Yes, we can. Then we have colors in the nature. Take a walk and look around nature. You will see different colors, okay? Then we have colors in the arts where we use colors to make different artworks. Drawing, expressing ourselves with colors, just painting with colors. So our primary colors are red, yellow, blue, and our secondary colors are purple, green, orange. Did we understand all that? Very good. So now we are going over to our assignments. We are to list out the primary colors. They are easy, right? Just to list out the primary colors. Then we have what two primary colors will you mix that will give us green? You have to write out the two primary colors that you mix together that will give you green. Number 3, write two primary colors you will mix that will give us purple. So you have to write out two primary colors that when you mix them together, they will give you purple. And you have to also write out what colors you will mix together, what two primary colors you will mix together to give us orange. We did all that in our lesson, right? Yes, we did. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about colors and you understood the different types of colors we have. The primary, secondary colors, right? Good. Okay.